Hey folks, Turbine Guy here. Down in Florida, we're getting ready to go boating, and we had a problem with our boat where we actually had, looks like an oil injector hose. If you look right on top of that fitting there, you can see the hole. Right in there. See that hole? That's no good because we had spurt coming out like that. So instead of trying to pull that whole doggone thing out, fix it, and replace it, I went and grabbed myself a beverage. My buddy Clay here. He's cutting us a little piece off the bottle cap there. And then we're going to have us a JB Weld party. We're going to goop a little underneath, goop a little on top, all around. This JB Weld is the quick set, so it'll set in 5-6 minutes and be ready to go overnight because we're going out tomorrow. So folks, you got a boat, you got an outboard, you got issues. There's always one more way to solve the problem than to go buy expensive parts. All right, we got the JB Weld all gooped over it. Now it's time to place our little metal piece and goop back over. All right, now I got my metal piece in there. Time to goop it and cover it up. So just bury that piece in there and under all around. But to not get over to the right hand side where that hose connects. Well, there we go, folks. Gooped it in. Hose is on. Everything's ready to go. And now time for me to finish off the tools. Turbine Guy signing off.